guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mackenzie Fomack, if you don't know. And we're outside sitting by a fire. And I want y'all to go see this. Well, I know you can't see me, sorry guys. I want y'all to see the s'mores video I just made, because guess what? We just had s'mores. I know you can't guess what unless you guess what in the comments. But we just had s'mores. How wonderful is that? And I'm not really seeable. Oh, I can go over in the light. I can go over in the light and y'all can see me. Well, would you look at that? Y'all can see me much better over here. Okay, so yeah, I'm just standing out in the yard recording. I thought someone was trying to kid. I thought someone was trying to kidnap me. Gosh, my dad just snuck around the house and started bolting at me. I thought someone was about to kidnap me. But he's running. He's running like a nutball. He is the best dad ever. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys here. He was running like this. He was going. Y'all can't see me that well, so I'm not in the light. I'm gonna show you Gambler. Gambler is. You can't really see him either. Alright, I guess you can see the. Yeah, he's working because he can't come out. Come out here. We're just chilling outside. Yeah. So our dogs we keep outside on leashes, and one of our dogs likes to jump up on a cage and just sit there. And the other one likes to pull his thingy out of the ground and take off. One time he drank all the water. Well, it was actually yesterday, I think. He drank all the water, and the water bowl flew all the way over there. And I was like, dude, and me and my dad were like, how did it get over there? We're like, we don't know. I'll show you what Cranston, one of our dogs, pulls out of the ground. He pulls out that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this white bulb thing with a dice on it. And then our dog Kingston, we have 3 of them, is over there. And he jumps on top of his cage and does literally anything possible. And we're like, how? He jumps like 5 foot up in the air. Yeah, we're just chilling outside. Alright. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Go to my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and have an awesome night. See ya!